May malasakit ang employee? May employee ka ba na protective sa business mo? Parang sarili niyang negosyo yung inaalagaan? Naku anak, you are so blessed. Hindi lahat ng business owners ay may ganung klaseng employee. I know someone na may employee na ganyan. Tunay na maasahan. Very commendable, di ba? Anak, let me tell you, kung meron kang empleyado na ganyan, treasure them. Give them growth opportunities, increase their responsibilities, and invest in their skills. Show them na valued sila, hindi lang through words, but through your own actions. Ito yung mga tao na magiging partners mo towards success. Now, paano naman yung mga walang ganyang employees? Even employees who act like they don't care can still develop commitment and ownership. How? Well, we can start by sharing our vision with them. Explain natin kung bakit ang negosyo natin ay napaka-importante, hindi lang yung kanilang daily na trabaho. Let's give them small ownership sa mga projects, let them suggest improvements. Makinig tayo sa mga ideas nila at implement yung what makes sense, di ba? Let's appreciate yung efforts nila publicly, hindi lang kapag may problema. Invest in their growth through training, seminars, and new skills. Alam mo anak, when employees feel na may future sila sa atin, natural na magkikare sila. But be realistic anak, hindi lahat ng mga employees ay magkakaroon ng ganung level of commitment. May mga tao talagang hanggang paycheck lang. And that's okay too. Let's just focus our energy on those employees who truly care about our business. Ito yung lesson anak. Caring employees come from caring bosses. Whether you already have good employees or you're trying to help them care more, remember, it starts with how you treat them. Kaya let's be business-minded Pinoy. And if you are looking for ways to save time and money, boost productivity and cut costs, shows 6 simple steps to use technology to make your business more efficient. Link is in the comments.